Okay, now that we know that we can just enter a value here and clicking the button it's going to show a result, it's pretty much the same as we did before. We're going to apply that formula and show the result. But before we do that, I want to show you that we may have some problems immediately. Because when I click the button, if in case I don't have any value here, it's going to throw this long exception. Why? Because it's looking for a double in here, like for a string to be converted to a double, and it can't find it. So we're going to add two checkings first. We're going to make sure that the program is only going to be trying to convert anything if the user has input a temperature here, and if the user has chosen one of the two things, one of the two modes to convert it. Otherwise, it's just going to show a message, and that's it. It's not going to be doing anything else until the user has gotten the information in here. Right? Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to check here is if there is text inside the start temp.txt box. How can we do that? We're going to do an if clause, and we are going to use the equals method that we learned before to compare strings. But we're going to say the following. It's only going to check and parse the temperature if it's not empty. So what we're going to say, if not empty, not equals start temp txt dot get text. Then he's going to be doing this thing here. So let's revise this. So if you recall, this thing here is going to get the text from inside the text box, start temp. Equals is used to compare strings, and this is just an empty string. The exclamation mark is used to say not. Okay, it's that not we saw in Boolean logic. So this actually means if the text inside start temp.txt is not equal to empty, then he's going to run this box here. Okay? What if it is? So if it is empty, it should be running a message warning. And this is a bit long, but I'll show you how to do it. So the command we use to show an alert, first we're going to use call a J option pane, which is the name of that alert box in Java. And then we use the method show message dialog. And the show message dialog needs to start here. The first value, it has to be a null, for now at least. The second one is the message we are going to be showing. So something like please enter the initial temperature. And we can close it. We're getting an error here because we haven't imported the option pane yet. So we can just do this here, and there it is. We have it imported already. Let's just run it and see if it works. So now I haven't added anything here. When I click convert, we have the message box. Good. So this is the first checking we need to have. The second checking is about the temperature we're going to be converting to and from. So what we're going to do for this is actually checking. Let me show you here. We're going to check, is this clicked? If it is, we're going to do the conversion. Or else if, so if this is not, is this clicked? If it is, we're going to check to do the conversion here. And if neither is marked, that means we are going to be showing an error message again. Okay, so it's going to be an if this, else if this, else just show the error message. Let's see how we're going to be doing this. We're going to start here with an if. Then we're going to call each radio button by the name we gave it. So the first one, let's remember. If you forgot yours too, just right click, change the variable name and see what you have here. You can even copy it. So I have F2C radio. And I'm checking here. If F2C radio dot is selected, then, and we are going to add the code here to check, to do the conversion. Else if C, the other one was C2F radio dot selected. So here we're going to be adding the code for the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Else, we're just going to show another error message. So again, J option pane dot show message dialog. No. Please choose the temperatures to temperature systems to convert to and from. That's it. Oops. There's something here. Oh yeah. Right. So now it's going to be working. We can check one more time. So now I don't have the temperature or either of the boxes clicked. I click convert, it asks for the temperature and to choose. If I just add the temperature here and convert, it will tell me which ones to convert to and from. And finally, if I choose, we have a problem here. Let's see how we can fix this too.